Good morning, folks. Wes at Lochmandy Chevrolet Buick. I hope you're having a great day. You know, when we accessorize a truck, sometimes folks have a one-and-done approach, where they've already done a lot of homework and they've got all their accessories picked out, and we just take care of it in one fell swoop. And other times, in the case like we have with this Silverado here, the customer knows they want to lift the truck, have an increased stance, better ground clearance, haven't picked out the wheels and tires yet, haven't picked out some of the accessories. That's okay though, because when we're doing a lift, we can go ahead with that work ahead of time and then we can figure out the rest later, which is what we're going to do on this Silverado today. While some folks like a level where we take the front and make it the same height as the back, some folks prefer more of a lift where both ends of the truck are brought up further away from the ground. In this case, customer is going to be going with larger wheels and tires at some point in the future, needs to make room, and is going to use his truck as a truck. So with payload and towing, wants to make sure that he doesn't lose the ride height that he expects. So folks, here's what we have in store for this Silverado today. We're going to do a front lift, a rear lift, and take care of the extra parts that are needed when we do that. Now in this case, we're taking this truck and we're lifting it 2 inches in the front and 2 inches in the back. And it's a pretty simple affair. We're not getting into control arms and things like that. We're going to have lift spacers for the front struts. This is going to gain us about 2 inches in the front because of the way the suspension geometry works. We're going to have lift blocks in the rear. We're going to install these blocks along with new U-bolts in the rear axle that'll gain us 2 inches in the back. Now because we have lifted the vehicle, we want to make sure that we have plenty of suspension travel. So we're going to be installing 2-inch extended shocks. And we're also going to make sure that the truck is equipped with a jack that's long enough to now handle the extra length that's going to be involved in the suspension. Wait until you see what this looks like when we're done. So folks, what we did on this truck is we installed spacers in the front struts, give us the lift in the front that we needed. Then we installed lift blocks on the rear springs to lift the back end, along with the extended shocks that we discussed. So folks, what does she look like now? Let's take a look. And here she is. Ready for when the customer has their bigger tires and wheels. Looking good. So folks, we've just been excited as all get out to help folks get their trucks customized the way they want. Can we help you? Give us a call at 574-546-3333. Have a great day.